Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa nashhadu anna sayyidana Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Amma ba'du fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Respected Missioner in Charge Sahib, who also serves as the chairman of this concluding section, respected Naibin Amir, who has been with us since the beginning of this program 2 days ago, respected GS, who has been very constant and very supportive as far as Majlis Ansarullah program is concerned, respected members of National Amila, respected former Sadrs of Majlis Ansarullah, respected Sadr Majlis Ansarullah, who has been with us since Friday and had to take excuse because he has been having mock meeting of Khudam since yesterday. Respected elders who have been very supportive, cooperative, members of Majlis Ansarullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. First and foremost, we are extremely grateful to Almighty Allah for the support and the manifestation of His assistance that we are disposing this program as we have proposed it. It's not by our might, but by the support and willing of Almighty Allah. We are grateful. I want you to please join me in saying Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I want this short speech to be our parting gifts. And I want to start with the message of Uzur Akdaz, Ayadawullah Ta'ala bin Nasri Aziz, as it contained in the response to the report, monthly report we sent in December and January. The two responses very constant, and I brought out some of the messages. That as members of Majlis Ansarullah, you should show kindness to your wives and children and ensure that they are on the same page with you religious-wise. This is pregnant and it contains a lot of comments and lessons. Please let us note it because of time. I will not make any comment on this. 2, members should be regular in their obligatory prayers. Endeavor to say these prayers more in congregation than individually. We are encouraged to be performing our prayers in congregations. 3, engage in tahajjud prayers. Let it be regular and make effort that your tahajjud prayer duration is not less than 1 hour. 4, always engage in nawafil fast. Make sure no week goes without you observing nawafil fast. This is in line with the practice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Monday and Thursday, or Monday or Thursday. Let us be regular. Work towards, no, the letter is addressed to Sadr. Work towards that your members, 50% of your members become wasiyat payers. 60% of your members become wasiyat payers. This I want to quickly bring our attention. But why am I saying this? It's a regular statement of our respected Amin Sahib, that if Majlis Ansarullah gets it right, Nigeria Jamaat will get it right. And this is shown in the Amila members. Look at the Amila member, national Amila members. Only Sadr Majlis Kudam is a Khadim. All other members are Ansarullah members. All others. And you can transfer that one to your circuits, different circuits. How many members of Majlis Ansarullah are circuit Amila members, Jamaat Amila members, and so on. So if we get it right, Jamaat in general will get it right. And if we don't get it right, may Allah forbid. So it is now enormous responsibility that we have to be constant in our prayer. And it is not our might or our power that can do it. But if we are constant in praying, in supplicating to Almighty Allah, with Allah's assistance, we'll be able to achieve and live up to expectation. This is an enormous task. That you should endeavor that not less, that is the expression used, not less than 50% of your members become wasiyah payers. In December report given by Amin Sahib at the Amila, the Tajinade of Jamaat in Nigeria, 49,112. Chanda payers, 4,094. Wasiya, 2,830. All low, that is December report. And it is constant. And by the headquarters portal, the number of Majlis Ansarullah members is 7,921. 7,921. Going by Uzu's Akida's expectation, not less than 50% of us should become wasiyah payers. That is, limit it to our members of Majlis Ansarullah, we should not have less than 3,000. And the whole Jama, both including Khudam, Lajina, with total members that are paying wasiyah 2,000, not up to 3,000. You can see the enormity of the responsibility on us. As elders of the Jama, I need to call our attention because this is a workshop. That when we get home, when we get to our different circuit Jama, there should be a reflection that we have attended a workshop. And you will see the theme of this workshop, sacrificing rights for, very important. I want each and every one of us to manifest, reflect, and epitomize this when we get to our different Jama. There is always one case or the other where individual, each and every one of us, is expected to sacrifice right for peace. Please manifest that one when you get to your Jama. When you get home, even between you and your immediate family members, to promote peace, harmony, starting from immediate family members and now extended to the generality of the Jama. I will not want to take much time. That is the parting message. Now, appreciation. Starting from the headquarters, on behalf of Majlis Ansarullah Nigeria, I express our profound gratitude and appreciation for the constant support we have been receiving from the headquarters, respected Amir Sahib, Naibin Amirs, and others. The appreciation is extended to those who have been assisting us up to this level. The audiovisual, the MTA crew, the donors, because on a very short notice, even we levy ourselves, but the levy is not sufficient to carry the financial responsibility of this program. So those who have responded to us, even on a very short notice, we appreciate you. And all of us, I cannot think of any other word better than Jazakumullahu khairan, azan, and jasa. Now, last message. I want to request each and every one of us. Week in, week out, we are recording dwindling performance in the MUI. And it is not over until it is over. Please, I am appealing to us, those of us that still have financial responsibility towards MUI, please let us make sure we do this. Those who have done, please do more. Remember that whatever we accumulate in this terrestrial world is other people's property, ogun ologun, inheritance. It is whatever we are able to spend in the ways of Allah that we save in the Almighty Bank, which check we never bounce. All other things, it is as long as we are alive. When you are alive, alhamdulillah, we even have our cemetery here. Where there is no cemetery, the owner of the house will be buried outside. In the night, they will say, who is outside? Nobody is outside, yo. Others want to shut the door. That is the owner of the house, so buried outside. Ogun ologun. Other people's inheritance. Please, let us lay less emphasis on other people's inheritance and give priority to what will benefit us. And what is extremely our benefit is whatever we are able to spend on the ways of Allah. In our visit to some dealers, we have discovered majority of our members. We have not discovered any dealer where 35% or In the highest, 40% of members are paying Chanda Majlis, Chanda Ham, Wasiya, and even Chanda Majlis. We need to change this. We need to change this. Let us be more up and doing. Let's effect positive change in the Jama, and the responsibility is on us, members of Majlis Ansarullah, who are elders in our Jama. Once again, we thank Almighty Allah for His protection, and we beg Him that as we be departing from here, may Allah grant us journey mercies. Attendance. Before I depart, we have a total of 480 participants, guests 10, public address 3, audiovisual 7, ICT 2, electrical 2, kitchen 10, security 10, kitchen 12, total 528. 528. Lastly, the Humanity First box is outside there. Humanity First. This has been one of the activities that Jama is proud of, that Humanity First is engaging in non-religious, non-political, and non-sectional, non-sectarian. We have schools, we are giving out free medical outreach, and some other programs. Orphans, disaster relief, and some other programs. All these are some of the contributions we have here, is what we spend for this. Once again, I'm grateful to Almighty Allah. I am grateful to all of you for your cooperation, for your understanding, for your support, for your commitment. May Almighty Allah grant us continuous acceptance of prayers. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.